help. Noah, where's the dry land? Apache helicopter goes down near HORMUZ. I see clues of WW1, 1914 symbolism, allegedly spoken. Listen to this correspondent. He's going to tell you 134 ships blocked. Okay? 134, then he's going to say 7. Listen.
Blockade of Iranian ports is expected to continue. CENTCOM says U.S. forces disabled an unladen oil tanker in the Gulf of Oman on Monday after it tried to breach the blockade. An FA-18 Super Hornet from the USS Abraham Lincoln fired a precision munition into the ship's engineering and steering rooms. Since the blockade went into effect, 134 vessels have been turned around and 7 disabled. Guys?
What is 134? The 134th day of the year is May 14th. What is May 14th? May 14th, that's when Israel became a nation. May 14th, 1948. Do you understand? Now look, 134 divided by 7. He said 7, and he said 134. 7 is God's completion number. Everything is good. When the Antichrist brings in the one world system, is bring it in through WAR and chaos. So 134 divided by 7 gives you 1914. What is 1914? Look. 1914. It's going to happen. Trump said, if one of our soldiers get hurt, we would go on attack. Did he not say that? Now look, 9/30, 1975, 9/30, Apache helicopter was made. That's what went down yesterday, Apache helicopter. This is Ayatollah Khomeini, his birthday and death date. Now look, April 19th is his birthday. Yesterday's situation, 36/5/14, like Israel. Then look, October 13th, 1775, the Navy came into existence. That date of the Navy, yesterday, 250 years, 726. 250 is July 4th. 726 is what? That's New York. And where was Trump at? New York.